let's look at the technology transformation from a different perspective. How many of you remember the Jetsons? The popular primetime cartoon show features the Jetson family living in a utopian future. People live in housing in the sky, work a 3-day work week, drive aero cars that look like flying saucers, and have incredible convenience that leave them with plenty of leisure time. George, his homemaker wife Jane, and their children Judy and Elroy also have a robotic maid named Rosie and a talking dog named Astro. Airing first on ABC in 1960s. All the futuristic technologies like virtual conferencing, telemedicine, smartwatches, jetpack, and the cleaning robot they showed between 1960s to 1990s are all available now in our day-to-day life, right? Do you agree with that? If so, then again, do you remember in the same Jetson shows, the factory called Spacely Sprockets owned by Mr. Spacely? Our George Jetson is like supervisor for the whole factory but works only 3-day work week. He sits in front of the network operation center and analyze the progress of production and quality systems. When he finds any defects parts or maintenance issues, he gets alerts and notification for the immediate actions. This is called data-driven manufacturing or digital industries. When we agree with the smartwatches, virtual conferencing, etc., which are all available today, then data-driven manufacturing or digital industries are also available to make use of it for the business benefits.